Grades in Hugo's math class are based on the percent of the total possible points on the 4 unit exams, each worth 100 points, and the final exam worth 200 points. Okay, so this difference is probably going to be significant and are assigned according to the chart below. So the number of points Hugo scored on the unit exams this term were 82, 88, 91, and 83. When course grades are posted, Hugo's course grade was listed as a B, so his grade is going to be within this range. Okay, so which of the following could not have been the number of points he scored on the final exam? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to add all of his unit exams, plus 88, plus 91, plus 83, and then we're going to add his exam as x, okay? So that's going to be over 6 because, technically we're having 6 100 totals. Like, if you wanted to say, this was 2x, we don't need to get all fancy on it because all of our answers are within 200. So what you need to do is find this sum, which once you add those, you're going to get 88 plus 90. So that sum is 344 plus x. So plus whatever your exam grade is over the 6, I guess, unit exams, except we're counting the exam as 2 unit exams. So what Taylor wanted to do, and he was incorrect, was go out of 600 points. And that's wrong because we're finding the average of the test, not... I don't even know what he was trying to do. Come on, Taylor. But then... Okay, so what we can do here is say that x, all of this stuff is going to be... it's going to be greater than or equal to 80 because that's the lowest of our range for B. So once we multiply 80 by 6, we get 480 is less than or equal... Oh my gosh, that's an awful less than 10. Okay, less than or equal to 344 plus x. So then we get x is greater than or equal to 136. Alright, so wham bam chicken and ham, we cannot delete any of these answers because they're all greater than or equal to 136. So obviously we have to go to the other end of the spectrum and do this all again, except for this time we're going to say it is less than or equal to 89. So 89 times 6 is going to give us 534, and that's going to be greater than or equal to 344 plus x. Alright, so then 534 minus 344 gives us 190 is greater than or equal to x, and we make it easier on our eyes by saying x is less than or equal to 190. So remember that it's which could not have been. So we look back and we need to eliminate all of our answers that are less than or equal to 190. So boom, 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 boom. Our only answer left is K, 196. All right, easy peasy. Taylor is not as good as me. This has been Amy Seguier.